the third place. So with drum roll, yes, I love it. The third place will receive 10,000 pesos and a personalized trophy coming from the local government unit of Pasay City. So for the information of everyone, the Carabao Pagwapo Pagwapa 2025 was organized, of course, by the Association of Barangay Captains led by Honorable Aljoy Payas. Okay, so our third place to win 10,000 pesos is Barangay. Congratulations to Barangay Tubod. Yes, congratulations Barangay Tubod. Your Carabao has won 10,000 pesos and a personalized trophy coming from the local government unit of Pasay City. So requesting the Barangay Captain of Barangay Tubod to please come up the stage and claim your award.
Hindi makisod, hindi magpabuhay, agod magpuslan, mga kabudlay, pintados di pase, abante, abante. Pintados di pase, avance, avance. Pintados di pase, avance, avance. Diado tamong pintados.
Yes, we have got a chance to play. Congratulations palapakan natin, Barangay Tubod with 10,000 pesos. Okay, so Cap, diya kita exit Cap sa other side of the stage. And next, of course, we're going to have to award this second place for this year's Carabao Pagwapo Pagwapa contest to receive 15,000 pesos. And of course, a trophy coming from the local government unit of Pasay City. So second place of our Carabao Pagwapo Pagwapa contest goes to receive 15,000 pesos, Barangay Poblacion Ilaya. Yes, congratulations, Barangay Poblacion Ilaya. Your Carabao has won 15,000 pesos and a personalized trophy. So that is led, of course, by Barangay Captain Honorable Alma A. Palmares. And of course, once again, the Barangay Captain of Barangay Tubod earlier is Honorable Matias Panes. So congratulations to Barangay Poblacion Ilaya for winning 15,000 pesos cash and a trophy coming from the local government unit of Pasay City.
Diado tamong pintados di pase, ganara kalipay, ganara minsari, kaming pumuluyo, nagahirigugyon.
Yes, congratulations. Okay, so we now go to the champion of this year's Carabao Pagwapo Pagwapa contest to receive 20,000 pesos and a trophy coming from the local government unit of Pasay City. Congratulations to this year's champion of Carabao Pagwapo Pagwapa contest is Barangay. Congratulations, Barangay Sarapan. Yes, Barangay Sarapan is the champion of this year's Carabao Pagwapo Pagwapa contest. And of course, that is led by the Barangay Captain Honorable Jose Roy Lanza. Congratulations. Sorry, to correct, Barangay Captain Honorable Santos Panizales Jr. Yes, congratulations, Cap. And to all the makers of the Barangay Sarapan's Carabao Pagwapo Pagwapa. Yes, that is 20,000 pesos and a trophy coming from the local government unit of Pasay City. Okay, so we now go, of course, to the exciting part, the Karosa Parada winners. So first, I am going to award the consolation prizes and the winners will receive a trophy coming from the local government unit of Pasay City, of course, in recognition of their efforts in joining this year's Karosa Parada. So once again, everyone, to make it clear, ang lawagon ko is the consolation prizes. So if you heard yung barangay being called, please go to the stage and receive your trophy from our city officials. So if wala nyo pa nabatian ang inyong barangay, it means you have a bigger chance to win this year's Karosa Parada. Okay, first consolation prize goes to Barangay Nueva Union. Congratulations, Barangay Nueva Union, headed by Honorable Gerardo Soberano Sr.
Kabuhi ihalag kutong masarangan, mabatay man pagdamping sa imunaran.
So any representative from Barangay Nueva Union, please come up to stage and claim your trophy. So next consolation prize winner is from... Okay, next consolation prize winner. So if once again, if wala pa nabatihan na yung barangay, you can breathe because you are still having the chance to win this year's Karosa Parada 2025. Okay, so without further ado, our next consolation prize winner to receive a trophy is from Barangay Talongona. Congratulations, Barangay Talongona, headed by Barangay Captain Richard D. Pampag. Congratulations, Cap Richard and Barangay Talongona. And next, consolation prize. So we'll just continue. Jessica, continue po. Okay, so next consolation prize is from Barangay Poblacion Ilaya. Congratulations and thank you for joining this year's Karosa Parada. So that is one of our consolation prizes. So Barangay Poblacion Ilaya is headed by Barangay Captain Honorable Alma Palmares.
Mga kabudlay, pintados di pase, abante, abante. Pintados di pase, avance, avance. Pintados di pase, avance, avance.
Okay, next, of course, next consolation prize to receive a trophy. Of course, in appreciation for your active participation, congratulations to Barangay Punong. Yes, consolation prize winner is Barangay Punong, headed by Barangay Captain Honorable Eduardo Hamolanga Jr.
Sa kauswagan, mga bata mo, alamang kagbagalihan, ikaw di mo bang awan kang katingahan.
Okay, so with the trophy, of course, may consolation prize galing at 10,000. Thank you very much to our city officials for sponsoring the consolation prizes. So walang talo because you still go home with a prize and a trophy. Okay, next consolation prize winner is from Barangay Bato. Congratulations, Barangay Bato. Led by Barangay Captain Honorable Lizardo Padronas Jr. Yeah, so we still have 4 remaining barangays ngaway na lawak. So if wala pa nalawak in yung barangay, then be excited because you have the chance to win this year's Karosa Parada 2025. Yeah, so once again, the consolation prize winner will receive a trophy and 10,000 pesos consolation prize. Okay, next consolation prize winner is Barangay Mulapula. Congratulations, Barangay Mulapula. Consolation prize winner of a trophy and 10,000 pesos cash.
Mabuhay pase, abante, abante, hindi mag-isod, hindi magpabuhay.
So may harap kita ang mga barangays ngayon na lawak. So sit back, relax, because you're going to take home this year's championship for Karosa Parada 2025. Okay, last consolation prize. So Barangay Mulapula is headed by Honorable Annabel Caruba. Jessica? Okay, so last consolation prize to win 10,000 and the trophy. Of course, thank you very much for joining Barangay Sarapan. Congratulations. Barangay Sarapan. Yes, one of our...
Alamang kagbadalihan, ikaw tinubang-awan kang katintahan.
Yes, of course, Barangay Sarapan is headed by Honorable Santos Panizales Jr. Okay, so we now go to the exciting part, of course, the top 3 of our Karosa Parada 2025. So we're going to know who's going to win this year's Karosa Parada 2025 competition. Okay, so drum roll, please. So this year's second runner-up for Karosa Parada 2025 to receive 30,000 pesos. Congratulations, because this barangay is going to take home 30,000 pesos and a very big trophy from the LGU. Congratulations, third place or second runner-up, Barangay, ano? Barangay Tuburan. Yes, second runner-up is Barangay Tuburan, headed by Honorable Jonathan Batilante. Yes, with 30,000 pesos, gold cash, and a very beautiful trophy from the LGU Pasig City.
Hindi makisod, hindi magpabuhay, agon makusdan, mga kabudlay, pintados.
Yes, so this year's second runner-up is Barangay Tuburan. So before we announce, of course, the second place or the first runner-up, we would like to thank Honorable Aljoy Payas, our Association of Barangay Captains President, for facilitating this year's Karosa Parada 2025. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we are now going to know our first runner-up for this year's Karosa Parada to take home 40,000 pesos and a personalized trophy, of course, coming from the LGU Pasig City. Congratulations to you, are the first runner-up, and to take home 40,000, Barangay Agtambo. Yes, congratulations, Barangay Agtambo. This year's second place or first runner-up of our Karosa Parada 2025, taking home 40,000 pesos cash and a big trophy coming from the LGU Pasig City. And of course, Barangay Agtambo is headed by Honorable Rogelio Limzon. Congratulations, Cap, and to all, of course, the residents of Barangay Agtambo for slaying this year's Karosa Parada 2025. Yes, slay. Kung mga millennials, slay. Okay, so with, of course, balaan naman nato na nagdao. Because I will enjoy the lawag with the top 10. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome this year's champion of Karosa Parada 2025 to receive 60,000 pesos cash and a trophy from the LGU Pasig City. Congratulations to Barangay Bayan! Yes, congratulations, Barangay Bayan, headed by Honorable Nonito Pamplona. Yes, 60,000 pesos cash and a trophy from the LGU Pasig City.
Hindi mag-isod, hindi magpabuhay, agon makusdan, mga kabudlay, pintados, di pase, abante, abante. Pintados, di pase, abante, abante.
Okay, so we are now approaching to the best part of the night. So the winners of our drives competition. Okay, so we're going to roll call. If dyan bala ka mo, para mabalaan ni Mayor, kag mga city officials, kadya pa ka mo. Okay, so let's start with Tribo Hamongaya. Yes, with your banner. And of course, where's Tribo Pula-Pula? Yan, taga-Tribo Pula-Pula. And din ang mga taga-Tribo Pulahanon. Wow, isa ka barangay Mayor. And of course, where are the Tribo Baclor? Yes, it's a punta. And of course, we have Tribo Pasi. It's Tribo Pasi, yes, on orange. And last but not the least, Tribo Bulacan. Ha! Diba? Hindi na taga-Bulacan. Why na ito yung taga-Bulacan? Ayan. So, okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are now first going to award this special award. Okay, so thank you very much sa ating City Tourism Office, of course, for facilitating the Tribes competition and to our City Accounting Office for tabulating the results. So we now here have the results of Best in Street Dancing. To receive 5,000 pesos, so requested magsaka ang choreographer and mga tribe managers. And of course, requesting Ma'am Gina to please come up the stage to award, of course, together with our city officials, the winners of our tribes competition. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so let's keep the momentum growing. So please drum roll, operator. This year's Best in Street Dancing goes to... Congratulations, you are the best in street dancing, Tribo Baclor! Yes, congratulations, Tribo Baclor, who wins 40,000 pesos and a trophy from the LG Beauty Pass City. Ano ganyan? Taglay ni Baclor? Basta Baclor! Baclor! Yes, congratulations to Tribe Manager Dr. Nelson Palma and choreographer Sir Robert Lapati with Ma'am Tracy. Congratulations! Where's Tribo Baclor? Yes! Pamatsaga nyo kami ka-presensya nyo, Tribo Baclor. Of course, for the information of everyone, Tribo Baclor was the champion last year. So we're going to know if you retain the title or a new contender comes up to take your throne. So this night is going to be exciting because we are going to award the next special award, the Best in Discipline. Yes, Best in Discipline ang madisiplina sa street dancing as nakagina. Best in Discipline goes to... Ay, una si Mano. Congratulations, Best in Discipline, Tribo! Ano ba daog? Ano ba champion? Congratulations, Best in Discipline, Tribo Pasir! Yes, Best in Discipline to win 5,000 pesos and a trophy. Diba? Siya magutok ang pag-inot, we can feel the energy of our warriors kaya sabi pangapuntayan ng daw performance for how many months, how many weeks, biskan wala tulog, biskan wala ligo, go lang ng go, of course, to make this Pintados de Pasi Tribes competition a success. Requesting Dr. Palcat, our school's division superintendent of the division of Pasig City, to please come up the stage and join our awarded. Yes, and of course we have here their tribe manager, Sir J.M. Apeliado from Actahon National High School. Next, we're going to award the Minor Awards. Once again, Minor Awards. So all the categories will receive 5,000 pesos. So first award is Best in Pintalawas. So sino wala ang tribo may manamit at the zoo, of course, to celebrate the Pintados. Congratulations, you are the best in Pintalawas tribo. Buhay! Buhay! Best in Pintalawas is tribo. Buhay! Buhay! To receive 5,000 pesos and a personalized trophy coming from the local government unit of Kansas City. So requesting the giant manager and the tattoo artist of Tribo Buhay Buhay to please go on the stage and claim your award. Yes, we have Barangay Captain to receive the award. Requesting also the tribe manager or tattoo artist in the area to please go on the stage and have your photo opportunity.
Aliado, dahon, pintados, di pase, gadara, kalipay, gadara, mensahe, kaming pumuluyo.
Okay, next award, of course, automatic. The best tattoo artist goes to Tribo.
Di pase, avance, avance, pintados, di pase, avance, avance.
Congratulations to our best tattoo artist to receive a trophy and 5,000 pesos, Mr. Josie Mombay. Of course, automatic. If that's Pintalawas, you are the best tattoo artist, of course. Okay? Congratulations, Mr. Josie Mombay. So once again, requesting the tribe to please come up the stage and have your photo opportunity. Yes, so once again, this is from Tribo Buhay Buhay. Oy, kapiyok. Tribo Buhay Buhay, please come up the stage and claim your best tattoo artist award. Of course, next. Yes, we have Ma'am Lebakin, the tribe manager of Tribo Buhay Buhay. Congratulations, Ma'am Lebakin, and to Tribo Buhay Buhay. Okay, next. Of course, ang atong nga Pintados ni Pasig Tribes competition will not be lively or complete without the music. So we're going to know who's going to be the best in music and of course, best musical director. This year's best in music and best musical director goes to receive a trophy and 5,000 pesos. You are the best in music in this year's tribe competition. Tribo! And best musical director is Mr. Nico Oliver Cornejo. Congratulations! Best musical director. So requesting the joint manager, the musical director, to please come up the stage and get your award. Once again, we have Sir J.N. Apeliado, the principal of Atong National High School and the tribe manager of Tribo Pasig. Yes, congratulations, Tribo Pasig. So for the information of everyone, Tribo Pasig was the second runner-up in last year's Tribes Competition 2024. Okay, next. We now go to the best in costume and best costume designer. Sino kaya bala ang pinakamanami na costume kaina sa Tribe Competition? So let us know who is going to be this year's Best in Costume and Best Costume Designer. Congratulations! Your tribe is the best in costume. Tribo! Pasig! Yes, congratulations! Best in costume, Tribo Pasig. And of course, best costume designer is Dr. Thomas Pancelas and Rex Sarabia. Please come up the stage and get your award. Tribo Pasig. Grabe, hindi naman tayo Tribo Pasig! Hindi naman strong energy because you are the best in costume and best in music. Thank you, Madam Gina. Okay, next, of course, award is the best in props and production design. So, of course, this add up kaina sa performance because of course of the play of colors sa among mga mata ng viewers and spectators. So we're going to know of course who is this year's best in props and production design. Okay, so once again, all these results are sealed. So di ako lang nakita, wala ko nakita earlier. So I'm also surprised with the results. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this year's best in props and production design goes to so please come up the stage Requesting a representative from Tribo Mulahan, we have of course their choreographer, Sir Mark Apiladas, and assistant tribe manager, Sir Edward. Okay, next award! Well, I guess this is one of the most important awards. Kay Jacket Tagabase, co-winner na to. Next award is Best in Performance! So sino ba lang yung pinakamanaming performance earlier during our tribe's competition? This year's Best in Performance is Tribo! Tribo! Baclon! Let's go! Congratulations! Tribo Baclon! Best in Performance! To receive a trophy and 5,000 pesos. Yes, we have here Honorable Alma Bailanes, Honorable Enteng de Leon, SK Chairman Jetro Gomami, Dr. Nelson Tama, the Tribe Manager, and of course choreographer Sir Robert Lapati. Congratulations, Tribo Baclon! Best in Performance!
Diado, tamon, pintados, di pase, ganara, kalipay, ganara, minsahe, kaming pumuluyo, nagahiriugyon.
Okay, next, last two minor award is the Best in Choreography and Best Choreographer. Of course, automatic. Best Choreography, Best Choreographer. Okay, sealed and duly open. This year's Best Choreography and Choreographer goes to Tribo! Ano ka-check niyo na? You are this year's Best in Choreography, Tribo Pasig! Yes, congratulations, Tribo Pasig! Of course, with Best Choreographers, Ernie Sanveron and John Michael Balasio. Yes, so JM Arellano claim your Best in Choreography and Best in Choreographer. So we have here Sir Ernie and Sir Michael Poblacion. So Tribo Pasig, palakpakan ninyo ang inyong choreographer. Congrats na siya nag-complete inyong performance this year.
Avance, avance, pintados, di pase, avance, avance. Diado, tamon, pintados.
And we now go to the major awards. Of course, everyone, if wala nagdawag, you're going to receive 50,000 pesos consolation prize. But kagina, nag-receive to na each tribe 60,000 pesos. Palamakan na itong Congressman Ferdinand Beron for sponsoring the 50,000. And of course, Dulce Vida for the 10,000. Thank you very much kay Bistan Maperde with 60,000 to 50,000. So with a total of 110,000, you are still a winner. Okay, so the results. So with my camera, kaya i-focus natin guys para makita. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this year's second runner-up to receive 200,000 pesos. This year's second runner-up or third place will receive 200,000 pesos and the personalized trophy coming from LGU Pasig City. This year's second runner-up of Tribes Competition of the Pintados de Pasig Festival. Of course, it's celebration of our 27th Cityhood Foundation anniversary goes to receive 200,000 pesos. And the trophy. Diba? Isa pa? Parang kulbaan isa pa. Diba? Once again, congratulations! Second runner-up of Tribes Competition 2025, Tribo Baclon! You are the second runner-up of this year's Tribes Competition 2025, Tribo Baclon! Ay, so kasi may pagkalit ang anak sa champion. May pagkalit. Okay, congratulations, Tribo Baclon, truly. Basta Baclon, bravo! Congratulations, Tribo
Ako magpuslay, mga kabugulay, pintados di pase, abante, abante. Pintados di pase, avance, avance. Pintados di pase, avance, avance.
Yes, everyone, palakpakan natin, everyone. Tribo Bacolod of Pasig National High School for giving us a good show this year. Congratulations to all who made Tribo Bacolod the best in performance, of course, and second runner-up. Yes, second runner-up, Tribo Bacolod, signed by our judges. Okay, Ma'am Gina, are you ready to know the winner?
Sure.
Yes, sure. Ready. Very chill, cool. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, di nato magpalawig kay may fireworks. And of course, we have our Sweet Notes music. Diyan sa nasa likod, everyone. So we're going to have the party after this. And of course, we have DJ Tanoy after the Sweet Notes music. Okay, everyone, this year's first runner-up on Tribes Competition of Pintados de Pasig Festival 2025 to receive 250,000 pesos. Congratulations to Shock. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, everyone, may fireworks and Sweet Notes after this. Okay, DJ, di mo galit? Kaya dapat ready kita mag-party. It's our 27th Cityhood Foundation anniversary. Ay, takaan ka mo ha. Ay, lahat lang, di ba? So, malawin pa ang gabi. Kabali, Mayor, tuwanan ko na malawag yung first runner-up ka champion. Mayor, pito pa kabilo. So, we're going to know after our first runner-up. Okay, so manong, seryoso na ko. This year's first runner-up for Tribes Competition of Pintados de Pasig Festival 2025 goes to Tribo to receive 250,000 pesos. Tribo Hamongaya! Yes! Love it! Requested Captain Nalibe, the tribe master and everyone who makes the Tribo Hamongaya. Please come on the stage. You know everyone, you know why I am so shocked? Ay before, nag-shooting kami ka-teaser for the Tribo, and Tribo Hamongaya is the last one na Tribo na nag-practice. So walang kong story ni Tribo Hamongaya. They are the last one to practice kaway po ng dancers. Hawa ni Sir and the Cap Janet. But then pag ito naman kuya, very disciplined of course and very prepared to slay this year's Tribe Competition. Pag yan na si Ma'am Cap Janet, pakwanta niyo si Cap Janet kung pili. Dali na. Ala, gano'n. Kuligin yun. Dr. Espanes, of course, the Tribe Manager of Tribo Hamongaya. Grabe everyone! Double win for Tribo Hamongaya because our Binibining Pintados de Pasig 2025 is from Tribo Hamongaya also. So what a wonderful and victorious year for Tribo Hamongaya. Okay, once again, the first runner-up will receive 250,000 pesos cash. Plus the 60,000, of course, 310,000 pesos.
Mamatay man pagdampig sa ilaran, magkatang-ison, ikaw mo panglapinan.
Yes, congratulations, Tribo Hamongaya! Yes, yes. So, nung kubantong ito ang mga puti na mataas na handa ng mga special characters kanina. So, manarot. So, yes, kamagdaon for this year's Tribe Competition. Yes, thank you very much. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, ang pinakagahulat katanan, pinakanahulat katanan, of course, the champion for this year's Tribe Competition. So, wala pa nalawag ang imo Tribo. I-prepare ang 0.5 na video to, of course, to video your reaction. Kaya taon na mo sa Facebook. Okay? So, Doon kay may fireworks. This year's champion of Tribes Competition of Pintados de Pasig 2025 to receive 400,000 pesos! Okay, ka-video na si Honorable Mario Hidalgo reaction na ni Mayor. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this year's champion, the best of the best in this year's Tribes Competition 2025 in celebration of our 27th Cityhood Foundation anniversary goes to Tribo! Ano mga champion? You are right! Congratulations, Tribo! Uy, mag-alikon. Tribo! Tribo ka ako? Anong tribo ka?
Diado, tamong Pintados de Pasig, gadara, kalipay, gadara, minsahe, kaming puluyo, nag-alirigubyon, sa mauswagon, na para abuton. Pintados de Pasig, avance, avance.
So once again, congratulations to Barangay Adult Tribo Pasig in winning this year's championship of Tribes Competition for the Pintados de Pasig 2025 in celebration of our 27th Cityhood Foundation anniversary. So Tribo Pasig, mag-ingay! Yes, congratulations Tribo Pasig for winning our Tribes Competition. Ramon Adriano R. Orozco Farm School! Yes, congratulations! Grabe ang mga winners si Ramon Adriano Orozco Farm School. Kay lately, may nag-donate, naganami ang school. And of course, plus this victory, the champion of this year's Tribes Competition. Okay, so once again to the non-winners, you can claim your 30,000 pesos via sa kilid stage. So, sa mga tribe managers,